Hello friend, welcome to Rajni 007 Maths tutorial. Today I am going to discuss on square root of decimal fraction. For square root of number I already discussed in my previous video. For square root of any number you can check my previous video. In this video I am going to discuss on square root of decimal fraction. First, what is the rule? Make an even number of decimal places by affixing a 0 if needed. Let's check the question. It is the question evaluate. We have to find the square root of 176.252176. Write the number first. After decimal, how many numbers are there? 6. It's already even number, so we don't need to add any 0 for this. We will find the square root. Pair, we already have to do pair first. Now 76 is our next pair. The 1 we will add it here. 2. Now which number we will put here so that it will almost close to 76. 22 and 22 into 2 4 44. So we will have to put 3. It's coming 69. Next pair is 725 and whatever the quotient we have to add here 6. Now next what number we can put so that it will almost come close to 725. Just check 261 into 1, 261, 260 into 2 will come 524 and 262 into 3 by 3 it's coming more than 725. Yeah, it's coming more than, so we will take 2. We already taken the decimal parts here, so we have to put decimal here. So 2 with 2 it will go 201. Next pair is 21 and we have taken 2, so we will add it here. Now we have to check 264 with which digit it's going. The last digit is 1 with 2 into 2 4. If we check till 9 it's 981 is coming. Yeah, right one. So let's check. First check with 5. I told my previous video if you have confusion check with 5. 264 into 5 it's coming 52231. It's, yeah, it's this number is more. So let's check with 6. Still it's coming more less only. Check with 7. 18529 8 4 4 3 1 2. This is coming more, so our required number is 7. We will put 7 here. Always check with 5. If it is less than this number, so go ahead with 6 7 8 9. You have to check it. If it is less than number, then more than number, then you will go with 4 3 2 1. So after checking it, 7 is our perfect number is coming because it is almost closer to this number. Next is 76 and we have taken 7. So we write 7 here and add this, which will come 7 7 40 5 6 2. What is the next number we can put? Here it is 6. Last unit digit is 6 and in the from 2 to 9 which by squaring which number is coming 6? It's coming 4 4 just 16. Let's check with 4 first. 26544 which is coming 671601. No, it's not the final number is coming. Next 4 4 just 16. Next in which digit unit digit it's coming 6. It's 6. Let's check with 6 number also. 2 6 5 4 6 by 6 6 7 2 9 5 1. Yeah, this is the required number, so the answer will be 6. So square root for this 176252176 is 13.276. So this is the long division method to find square root for decimal fraction. Let's take one more question. Evaluate 0.4. We have to find the square root of 0.4. So how to do it? 0.4. So what is the rule? We have to make it even number. So by putting 1 0, it will be even digit. 2 digit will be there. Now we start find the square root. Point we have already taken here. The first be point. Put point here. Decimal point here. Now starts 40 means 6 is a 36. Will be almost near to 40. 10 minus 6 4. 6 we have taken, the 6 we will add here. Now we have to find that digit, which will be, we have taken point, we have to make the even number. We will put 2 0 here, and now we have to take the number which is almost near to 400. 1 2 3. If we put 3, it's coming 369. With point we can make it even number. 2 0 we will put. We have taken 3 quotient. 3 we will add here. Now again 1 2 6, which number we put, so that it will be almost closer to 3100. So we take 2, will come 2 5 2 4 divide 4 6 5. So we have to take up to 3 places of decimal. We will stop here only, and the square root of 0.4 is 0.632. Let's take one more example. If we have to evaluate 0.04, then how to do it? 0.04 is already even places. We don't have to add 0, but 0.04 we can write 4 by 100. If we convert it into fraction, it will come 4 by 100. It means we have to find the square root of 4, a square root of 100. A square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 100 is 10. So it's coming 2 by 10 means 1 by 5. And for 1 by 5, if we find the square root of 0.04 is 0.2. So this is the method, long division method, to find the square root of decimal fraction. If you like my video, please ping me in my video, like my video, and subscribe my channel to get more maths video. Thank you.